Penny's Play Party! Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we are, LOL, can't say it, LOL surprise, present surprise, and this, is series 2, and it's got all the star signs. Wow! I would love to tell you which is which, but I don't know. I think that one's definitely Aries. I think that's the ram, but I'm not sure. And I love these LOL dolls because rather than plastic, they come in cardboard. Yeah, so you can recycle really easily. And oh, she's so cool. And she's saying, "What's your sign?" And oh, look at her. Oh, love her funky glasses. Oh, how many surprises do we get in this one? We get 8 surprises. 8 surprises. 8 surprises. Let's see. Oh, she's got a little crab. Oh, is that Cancer? Does that mean that star sign's Cancer with the little crab? And anything to guess on this one? Oh no, it just says it's in the stars. Love her hair with her braid. She has got a little book there, but can't see. I think it's just the sun. I don't think it tells us. And she's so cool. She's so cool. A rocker one. Wow. So, oh, we got to pull. Ah! Oh no! Ah! I need to get my scissors. It's So I got my scissors. Cut. Careful. Ooh, cut. Whoop! So, cut those bits. Oh, yes! Oh, I love a good bow. Oh, it's got stars on it. And it's all stripy. Oh, you could turn it into, wow, a bracelet. You can put it in your hair. So many things you can do with a beautiful bow. Oh, there goes. Whoa, a little rock chick. Yes. Oh, love a good rock chick. Rock on. Put her over there. So, let's get into this one. Yeah. Oh. Ah! Oh no, that's dead tricky. Oh, patience. Are we waiting patiently? Yes. Whoa. Oh no. Oh look. Oh. There's more sellotape. Oh, you can't quite see. More sellotape on it. Wow. Ah! Get it off. Quick. Oh. I need to learn to wait and be patient. Yes. Oh, it keeps falling. It keeps falling down. Help. And let's... Oh. I can see. Can you see in there? Ha. Let's open up the box. Oh. Yes. Can you see in there? And again, look. Oh. They're made of paper, so you can recycle. Yay! Whenever you see this sign, it means you can recycle. Oh, some, ooh, tissue. Something's in that tissue. Another one. Wow. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. More. And oh. Yay. Oh, look. The paper's got stars on. And it's got the constellations. Oh, here we go. Oh, the manual. Where would we be without the manual? And there's more things in here. Check. Yay, it's empty. A lovely box. Oh, we might have to keep this box. We could cut the pictures out. Oh, yay. Oh, that'd be so cool. Yeah. We're keeping this box as well. Cutting out the pictures. Look, I cut them out. I cut the dollies out. I cut the dollies out. Hi, how are you? So I can use these. Oh, I could stick them on something. I could put them on my pencil case. I could just put them on my wall. I could decorate my boxes with them. I could make cards for other people. Wow! Oh, so much you can do with just the pictures, as well as the dolls. Oh, fab! So, what have we got here? Oh, our little secret message. We got, I think, an arrow going, down to, what's this? Yeah, it's the earth, it's where we live. So I think the message is down to earth. Let's check. Oh, yay, down to earth it says. Woo! We were right, so that's our little message. Put it over there. Woohoo, down to earth. Oh, what's this? Oh, wow. Wow. I think this tells you, yes. This tells you all of the dolls that we can have. Oh, wow. And look, so many cool dolls. And this is only 6 of them. Oh, wow. And up. Let's see if I was right. This sign that I saw on the box means Aries. I was right. Oh, I thought, didn't I, that one was Cancer. Let's have a look. Let's see if I got that right as well. Oh no, I can't find it. Yes, I was right. That one also means Cancer, because it had the crab. Oh, I'm so impressed with myself. Now, oh, look at all of these. Oh, she's cool. She's cool. Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo. Oh, there's that one. Libra. Oh, she's cool. Oh, wow. Scorpio. Sagittarius. Capricorn. I like her. Aquarius. Oh, she looks like really under the sea. Pisces. Oh, she was on the front, wasn't she? Yes. Aries. Oh, I love a good Aries. Taurus. I think this is my favourite. I think this is my favourite Gemini. And oh, Leo's cool as well. Virgo, oh my, oh, I can't decide. Oh, I think I'll be happy with any of these, Shall we save this till last? I'm not sure. I normally don't like to leave the doll to last, but I think we're going to. Oh, I wonder if this is a clue. It's got loads of flowers, beautiful flowers on here. Oh, and I think there was one that had flowers on, but I can't remember who it was. Oh, we'll see. We'll put that over there. Ooh, this one. Let's open this one. Oh, look. Oh, wow. Look at those cute little shoes. Wow. Oh, they're so small. Look. They're as big as my nail. In fact, my nail's bigger. They got, ooh, purple and black bits. Little black bows. Oh, let's put those over there as well. Oh, can't see them. What are we going for next? Oh, well, that one was like greedy. Oh, these bits of paper were so cute. We now have to save these as well. I think we might. This one. Oh, yes. Oh, look at her cup. Oh, wow. It's got that sign on it. Oh, look. On the box. There's that sign. And I can't remember who it is. They're the same. No, that's not quite the same, is it? Oh, I'm wrong. It's that one there. Whoa, phew. Well done if you realised that wasn't quite the same. It's definitely that one, though. Definitely that one. And oh, it's got stars on. Lots of little pretty stars. Oh, squidgy. Put that over there as well. Right. We just had a pink one. Oh, but I've got two pink ones. Two blues. No. I'll go pink again. Match my nails. Look. Wow. Can you see how glittery those flowers are? That's her headband. Yes. I can't remember who it was. I can't remember which one. Oh, God. Two little ones left. This one. Oh, I'm so loving this paper. This paper's so good for recycling. Oh, yes. Look. Oh, it's little wings. Oh. Whoosh. Little wings. Oh, I'm getting so excited, like so excited for this one. Oh, hold on. Oh, next one. Oh, it's an outfit. Oh, yes, look at that. Look. Oh, what cute little pants. Oh, and they've got like leaves leaves on them. Oh, yes. Oh, and the black matches the shoes. The black on the shoes. Is it Virgo? Was this Virgo? Oh, I can't remember. I can't remember because it's got the sign on. It's the sign that matches. It's definitely one of the earth ones because it's got the leaves. Let's put that over there as well. Oh, let's see. What are we having next? It's the big one. We've had everything else. So we're going for the big one. We're going for the big one. Ah! Ooh, look. We can recycle, so we're being good. Always recycle if you can. Oh my. Oh! Sparkly. She's got sparkly hair. Oh, 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 yay! There she is, there she is, there she is. Wow. Oh, look how beautiful she is. Look. Oh. Wow. With the sparkly hair. And a little bikini. Oh, wow. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, and those wings. Those wings are so cute. So let's check. Which one did we get? Where is she? Oh, yes. I was right. It's Virgo. There she is. Oh, look at her. Yay. Oh. Oh, so cool. And let's have a look. She's a fabulous. Well, she is really fabulous. Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, I'm going to put her together and so we can see her. Oh, look. She's all dressed up and oh my. Oh, her wings. Yes. Oh, and she is so super cute, little Virgo. And she's an earthy baby. Yay. Oh, she's dribbling. Just wipe her. She's back. Yay. She can have and up. Yummy, delicious. Yay. And I decided to put her beautiful crown on rather than a hat. But you can swap. Shall we swap? Shall we just see what it looks like? Yay! She's got a gorgeous hat on. Party! Party! Wow, I am so happy that I have got my Virgo. I just love her. I love her hair. I love her crown. Headdress. Oh. Wow. Oh, so amazing. And those wings. Oh my gosh. Those wings. I want a pair of wings like that. Oh, yay. And we shall see you next time. And we'll see what else we get. See you later. Bye. Bye. Hope you have a good day.